So, hello YouTube community, all my friends and family. Once again, another video. I haven't done one in 22 or 21. I think 20 was the last one I did. Once again, we're gonna make some German sausages here. Liver sausage today again. The last time we made them was about 2 years ago. Got all the ingredients here. All what I have to do is just grind the stuff in, and then we're gonna pack it in sausages. Might as well another beautiful day here in Oregon, and I hope you enjoyed this little video like always. And I wish you much fun. Cheers! So, here are the ingredients for our German liver sausage, or Leberwurst we call, original traditional German recipe. Here's all pre-weighted already, so we got salt, we got a whole bunch of marjoram. We'll be using the allspice, or piment we call. Of course, pepper, l'oignon, as the French say. And then we have a whole boatload. And a boatload is about 10 kilos of pork butt, or pork shoulder we call. We still don't know if it is butt or if it is shoulder, because when we are checking our bones here, we are uncertain what kind of cut that one is. Anyway, the meat again from our meeting place here in Hillsboro, Oregon. Finest meats and finest beefs. And we do have raw liver, also already pre-weighted. This is the setup we're gonna be doing today again. And mostly important also is our dried or re-moistened breadcrumbs. So everything is going to be ground down, and these ingredients will make our German liver sausage. So here we go. Everything went through the grinder and all the spices are added. Now I just need to stir everything nicely and neatly around for about half an hour. I'm gonna have freaking blacksmith arms. That would be great. Alright. Here we go again. So, here's our Leberwurst filling. This is our Leberwurst liver sausage. Nicely mixed up with all the spices and herbs, and everything needs to go down there. So our original recipe. Over here I got my natural hog casings. We decided to go with 50-50, so half of this whole thing here will be canned and the other half will be done in casings to do real sausages, and they will be cold smoked tomorrow. Alright, here's 10 kilograms of liver sausages peeled up by Gabi, separated by each individual little sausage. Great. These are 10 kilos. Holy, no, I'm wrong. It's 5 kilos. 5 kilo sausage here, and the other 5 kilos gonna go canned tomorrow. On the liver sausage, they're not going straight away to the smoker. They're going back into the pot for a little while. They do not have to boil, but it's just for conserving the taste and the flavors and everything. Okay, here we go. Heating up the liver sausages on the stove. They cannot cook, but they have to be reheated.